It was founded in 1979 by legal professionals in an effort to defend victims from different segments of the society in human rights violation cases. At a time when Colombia was ruled by governments pursuing radical conservative and militarist policies, it has taken up various litigation cases of arbitrary arrests, extrajudicial executions, and forced disappearances and torture. It is named after the prominent Colombian lawyer, democracy and human rights defender, José Alvear Restrepo. The collective played an active role in the peace negotiations between the revolutionary armed forces of Colombia and the Colombian government over the armed conflict that started in the 1960s due to poverty, political exclusion, and drug trafficking. The peace process resulted in the signing of the historic peace agreement in 2016. After the cessation of hostilities, the collective has made significant contributions to the transitional justice process.
Pero pues en sí, pues nosotros somos personas normales como cualquier civil.
It has secured emblematic court decisions that set the legal precedent for uncovering the historical foundations of socio-political violence as well as establishing the truth behind conflicts. It has undertaken numerous activities promoting the right to political participation of the parties to the armed conflict. It has taken up the cases of assassinated human rights defenders and trade union leaders. It has paid special attention to the protection of land rights of indigenous peoples in Colombia and represented vulnerable indigenous communities in legal proceedings. In recent years, it has been working with villagers and indigenous communities of African descent, striving to protect their land against extractive industries. It supports the creation of an international legal framework that would allow multinational companies to be held accountable for their violations of human rights in relation to climate change. Enjoying the support of various international institutions and professional organizations, among others, the collective is affiliated to the World Organization Against Torture, the Coalition for the International Criminal Court, and the International Federation for Human Rights. The collective has received numerous national and international awards recognizing its efforts in uncovering the truth, preserving the memory of the conflict period, giving visibility to the impact of the armed conflict on human lives. The collective and its members have been unlawfully subjected to surveillance and threatened by the Colombian Secret Service. They have been targeted through smear campaigns and faced with bogus charges. Numerous attempts have been made to halt the activities of the collective. Regardless of all these attacks and political obstacles, the lawyers of the collective have continued their work at the expense of risking their lives.
Para que no se repita. Para que no se repita.
For their firm determination in their quest for justice and their long-standing struggle to bring an end to impunity, the 2023 International Hrant Dink Award laureate is José Alvear Restrepo Lawyers Collective.